A very good morning to all of you. So, I'm again on my space, on my place, on my place. So, this morning it's 6:45. I mean, in the morning, quarter to 7, and sun has come out and lighted out. Yes, you can see the views of how it looks beautiful. So I am here, and it's a really captivating the morning. You can view in my backside. Look at this, how it looks. It's beautiful, isn't it? So, as you know, this is my practice time. I wanted to practice more, but I just barely find time to practice because in day-to-day life I have a lot. I have lot to do. I have to go to my routine job, and but still I am struggling with the find time to make myself good enough to speak in this language. And I have been practicing it so many years, but not continuously. I, I have never been consistent, and now, since I have been consistent for 1 month, I, I have started it on 4th, 10th of January, and it is 14th February. So that time, since that time, I have been consistent. So it is a good sign, and I can see I a little bit day by day I am improving. I can feel it, because earlier when I started, I just I felt like quitting this practice because I I fumble and stuck a lot, but the things has changed now, and I am keeping myself on it. So since I don't have things to uh, convey, so yesterday after uploading the video, I went on my daily jobs, like 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 getting myself uh, getting myself ready to my work, go to my work. I went to my work. There I spent the whole day, and after coming back, uh, I talked to my nephew Sharad on phone, and after that, my mother's sister, my aunt Mosi, I talked to her her, and after that, along with my senior advocate, I had to go to uh, an invitation. So I went to attend we both attend to an invitation. So after coming back from that feast, uh, it was so late and I was so tired. I was feeling so exhausted. So I wanted to read something. I wanted to learn something on phone and by the help of reference book. But I couldn't find myself able to do that things just because of I was feeling uh, sleepy and exhausted. So I went to sleep, and this morning I woke up early in the morning. It was 30 minutes past to 3 o'clock in the morning, and since then I have been watching some videos and reading a magazine which I have kept on. I have been kept on for a very long time. That magazine is Champak, and I bought that magazine. It was 2022 when I was thinking about to improve my English like I am doing nowadays. So but I just failed to consistent myself on that point, and I have the regrets. If I had been consistent, I would have been speaking flawlessly right now. But that time, due to many reasons, I couldn't be consistent. And today, when I was reading that magazine, since I want to inculcate the habit of LSRW, listening, reading, writing, and speaking as well. So I find that really listening is important, and I like to listen a lot, and I listen to a lot, but sometimes I find myself while listening any videos, especially in English. So I find myself I lost sometimes. I just zone out. So today I find while reading the magazine that it is very helpful, because while listening that time it might be possible you lost and your mind goes somewhere else, you zone out. But while reading, you more focus on reading, and you get the structures while reading. So how they structure to interpret anything So mm, I find this is a very helpful reading, and I listen a lot, and I nowadays I have started speaking also, and today I today I have started reading, and I want to continue uh, this, like I have been continuing this speaking practice, so I want to continue the reading habit also. And I speak, I read, and I listen, and there is something left behind, that is writing. Yes, I want to write something day to day life, because whenever it comes to writing, I find myself on paper. Uh, I do mistakes while writing. I don't. Uh, I am not confident about spellings, especially just because of I am not very much practicing. And when it comes to write on mobile while messaging on social medias, that is easier just because the help of the spelling checker or spelling correctness on your keypad. So I'm also find this is the also reason too. I'm not good at the spellings while writing something, because uh, I have been writing on social media comments in English so many years, and with the help of keypad, which has option to correct your spellings, and so for that I need to practice writing practice, inculcate the writing practice also. So now I will try to write from today now, and it will be right if I write at my before my sleeping, before my go to sleep. So because I want to write a daily happening, what happened today. I want to write something. I want to start with that something. If I will okay and I find something else, then I will try to that. But initially, in the beginning, I would like to write something about my daily uh, happening, what happened today, and at least one page. So this is what I just speak on this phone camera. So thank you for watching up to now. So here I bid you a very good morning, and have a very nice day. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.